What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have definitely come to the right place. Today is our unboxing for our March 2022 Year of the Beard Company. Mythical Beards. This is what we're fixing to go through. This is a big box. So stay tuned through the intro. Welcome back. So like I said in the beginning, we are doing our unboxing for our March company for Year of the Beard 2022, and this is Mythical Beards. Now we're going to bust into this. If you are not sure what Year of the Beard is, this is our third year doing Year of the Beard. Year of the Beard, there's 12 months in a year. We have 12 companies. Each company gets their own month. From the first day of that month they pick to the last day of that month, only the products that they send are the products that go in my beard, period. Point blank. Give you updates along the month, throughout the month, and give you a final thoughts at the very end of the month, letting you know how I feel that the products did and performed over a solid month. So let's dive into this box. So today we're going to use our red and black Mora knife. If you are interested in one of these, I did a review. I'll put a card up top. You can go check that out. So let's get through all this tape. There's a lot of tape on this box. Let's get all this tape here and here. All right, so we will be getting first look at this together. If I can get the box open. Already got some shred coming out. All right, there it is. It looks like something leaked a little bit. So let's see if we can figure out what that was. Let's get all this out. I try not to make too big of a mess. Goodness gracious. This is a bunch of products. All right. Okay. All right. Now, make sure that's it. Get all my trash up. Okay. Looks like we have balm, butter. Looks like we've got beard wash and conditioner. Now I'm gonna point this out for shipping. Check this out. This is so it does not leak, period. I like that. That's a nice touch. And then we've got, let's see, Father Time. Looks like it does say a little bit on the scent profile. But this is Father Time. This is a beard butter. We're gonna open all these and give first impressions on these scents. I'm gonna try not to read the scent. YOTB. That is a beard butter. We got Invisible Man beard butter. And we've got Invisible Man beard balm. So I can already tell you, I really like these labels. There's a lot of work that goes into these labels. Check out the back of that one. You can tell there's a lot of work that goes into these labels. All right, so now we've got 6 beard oils. So we've got Black Dragon. We've got YOTB. We've got Father Time. So we've got a couple combinations here. Got Nessie. Got, this one is hard to read. I'll have to put it across the screen. And lastly, we've got Invisible Man. So let's just start with this one, Invisible Man. This is unscented. So our butter, we've got a butter and a balm and an oil that are unscented. So it's kind of a cloudy. Let's give it a good shake. We didn't shake it up. So it's kind of a cloudy oil. Oh, that looks kind of medium weight. It's unscented. It's got a little bit of a sweet scent to it, but that's not bad. I mean, it's pretty much unscented. Get a little bit of that carrier. We'll go through the ingredients as we do our update videos. So the next one we'll do Father Time. Let's see if we can get an idea of what this is before I look at the scent. Ooh. What is that? Dad's Old School Cologne. Yes. That smells amazing. That is Father Time. I just couldn't pinpoint it. All right, so Yeti. Yeah, Yeti. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, that's kind of a, it's got a sharpness of like a spearmint or something like that. It kind of hits you. It smells good. What is it? Arctic Slam. So that's all we've got, Arctic Slam. So we'll do a little more research on the website for that one. But it's got to have spearmint in it. All right, so next one is Black Dragon. Ooh. I get some tobacco. I get tobacco and there's something else. Smoky tobacco musk. That smells really good. All right, so next we have the one that I could not read, and I accidentally just looked at the label, at the scent. Ooh, that I get like something, it's a fresh scent. That's what I pick up first, but it's called Aquatic Gunpowder. It smells really good. We got one more oil in here, Nessie. Subtle. I can't pick nothing up with that one. That one's subtle. Charred whiskey. That is Nessie. All right, and let's check out the balm. Ooh, look at that. That is just smooth. Which one was this one? Invisible Man? That's pretty much unscented. But I keep going back to these labels. These are some amazing labels. So this is our butter. There's that. And, oh, look at that. Look at that right there. Oh. All right. I am ready to dive into this month. All right. Well, I will have some updates throughout the month and we'll have more information on these products. Let's see, our conditioner and our wash, are they unscented? It's just called the Phoenix. Let's get that off there. Smells like a shampoo beard wash. It doesn't smell anything crazy. So I'm guessing this is gonna be unscented. There's nothing on here about scent. There are a lot of ingredients. So, see that in there. All right, guys, well, that is what we have for the month of March. It is gonna be a busy month. So make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and click that little bell so you're notified when new videos drop so you can stay up to date on Year of the Beard and what we've got going on with Mythical Beard, because it is going to be a busy month. So there's gonna be a lot of videos, but I am ready to jump on this. So guys, if you've got any questions about any of these products, if you don't want to hang out and wait for the update videos, drop a comment below, and there will be a link in the description below for Mythical Beards. You can get over there and check them out. And I've kind of looked at the website just a little bit, but I'm going to look at it some more before I do updates to give you a little more feedback and a little more information about the website. So be watching for that. And yeah, that's all I've got. Until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.